How to Control Your Negative Thinking, Part 5. Let's begin this final part with a simple truth. Thoughts are thoughts. They are not facts. They are not commands. They are not who you are. They are like passing clouds, sometimes dark, sometimes light, but always moving. When you stop believing every negative thought as if it's true, you take away its power. You can observe it and say, "Oh, that's just a thought, not reality." This shift alone can bring a lot of peace. One effective technique is writing your thoughts down. When you feel overwhelmed, take a notebook and write every negative thought. Don't judge, right? Then, read them as if a stranger wrote them. You'll often notice how exaggerated, unfair, or repetitive they are. Writing helps you get your thoughts out of your head and onto paper where you can look at them more clearly. Now, let's talk about celebrating small wins. The mind tends to focus on what's wrong, but you can train it to notice what's going right. Did you make your bed today? Did you drink enough water? Did you smile at someone? These may seem small, but they matter. Recognizing small achievements builds confidence and trains your brain to look for positives instead of negatives. Another critical step is creating a peaceful environment. Your surroundings affect your thoughts. A messy room can make you anxious, and negative people can drain your energy. Create a space that makes you feel calm and inspired. Clean up your environment. Play soft music. Light a candle. Surround yourself with peaceful energy, which will help your mind feel more peaceful. Let's revisit the power of breathing. Your breath is a free, always available tool to calm your mind. When you feel overwhelmed, try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds, and repeat a few times. This slows down your nervous system, quiets your mind, and helps reset your thoughts. Even 1 minute of conscious breathing can stop negative spirals. Another key is to limit your exposure to negativity. If you constantly watch the news, engage in online arguments, or scroll through negative social media, your mind absorbs that energy. It's like feeding your brain junk food. Instead, choose to limit that input. Spend more time in uplifting conversations, watching educational or joyful content, and connecting with people who lift you. Sometimes we need to take action to break negative thinking. Overthinking often grows in stillness. But when you start doing something, cleaning, walking, drawing, singing, helping you shift from thinking to being, even small actions create movement in your energy and help push you out of stuck thoughts. Next time your mind is racing, do something physical or creative. It's like hitting the reset button. Let's talk about acceptance. This means allowing your thoughts and feelings to be there without fighting them. When you resist an idea, it grows stronger. But when you accept it without fear, it often loses power. For example, if a thought says, "I'm not good enough," instead of arguing with it, you can say, "I hear you." Then, gently let it go or choose a better thought. Acceptance is not giving up, it's making peace. Building self-trust is essential, too. Often, negative thoughts come from doubting ourselves. "I'll mess up, I can't do this, I always fail." But the more you keep promises to yourself, the more you trust your abilities. If you say you'll meditate for 5 minutes and you do it, that builds trust. Start small, but stay consistent. Trusting yourself is like building a strong foundation that can withstand any storm. Let's not forget the importance of spiritual connection. Whether you believe in God, the universe, nature, or your higher self, having a spiritual anchor strengthens you. It reminds you that you are not alone. Prayer, meditation, or talking to the universe helps you feel supported. When your mind is filled with fear, turn toward that higher presence and say, "Guide me, help me, give me peace." You'll be surprised how comforting that is. Now, let's explore gratitude again, but from a deeper angle. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means choosing to focus on what is still good. When you focus on what you have, even the simple things like your breath, your eyesight, and a roof over your head, your thoughts begin to soften. Negative thoughts thrive in lack. Gratitude creates a sense of abundance and shifts your energy to the positive. Also, be aware of your inner language. Words like "I can't," "I always mess up," or "nothing works out for me" create more negativity. Replace them with phrases like "I'm learning," "I'm trying," and "I'll get through this." These small changes in your language can lead to significant changes in your thinking. Speak with hope. Speak with kindness. Your words become your reality. Let's explore the idea of letting go of control. Many negative thoughts come from trying to control everything: the future, people's opinions, outcomes. But the truth is, you can't control everything. You can only control your response. Let go. Trust the process. Surrender what you can't change and focus on what you can: your actions, your mindset, and your peace. Another reminder is that growth takes time. Changing your thinking doesn't happen overnight. Some days, you'll do great. Others, you'll struggle. That's normal. Be patient with yourself. You're not weak for having negative thoughts. You're human. But you are strong enough to notice them and choose to rise above them. Keep going. Progress is better than perfection. You can also create a positivity box or journal. Fill it with things that lift your mood: quotes, photos, memories, letters to yourself, or small objects that bring joy. When you're feeling down, open your box or journal. Let it remind you of who you are and how far you've come. It's like a tool to recharge your soul when your thoughts get heavy. Finally, never forget this: you are more powerful than your thoughts. Your thoughts are just one part of you, but your awareness is more significant. You are the sky. Your thoughts are just the weather. You are the driver. Your thoughts are just passengers. You become stronger whenever you choose peace over panic, love over fear, and faith over doubt. You can transform your mind and life with awareness, practice, and patience. Final words: negative thinking doesn't define you. It's a habit, a pattern, a temporary storm. But inside you is a calm ocean, a steady light, a beautiful truth. With awareness, love, and consistent practice, you can return to that place of peace anytime. Start small. Keep going. Be gentle with yourself. You're not alone, and you're doing better than you think. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. And that awareness is powerful, peaceful, and free. Thanks for your time. See you later.